So this is a question from Parthasarathi, Mumbai. He says, whenever we do any payment, we get a transaction receipt, or whenever we give an exam, we get a result in return. Similarly, if we are trying to do bhakti and trying to be a bhakta of Lord Sri Krishna, when can one acknowledge that he or she has become a bhakta? Thank you, Guruji.
Hare Krishna. When we are a devotee of Krishna, bhakta means we love, loving Krishna. That's what bhakti. Bhakti towards Krishna means we love Krishna. So when we love Krishna, so that means when we love someone, we will not expect anything from that person in return, but only we want to give everything to that person. We want to please that person. We want to satisfy that person with our activities. That's what is very important. So here bhakta means when a person is a devotee of Krishna, so we are not going to ask Krishna that to Krishna, give me this, give me that, and all such things. So we want to please Krishna, we want to serve Krishna. That way we'll study Bhagavad Gita, understand Bhagavad Gita, follow Bhagavad Gita, and that is the only way to please Krishna. Because we know what Krishna wants only from Bhagavad Gita. Because in Bhagavad Gita only Krishna is directly speaking to us. He is giving the knowledge, everything what we need in Bhagavad Gita very clearly. So if we just follow what all Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, so that means we are pleasing Krishna. And for that, if we just do just one thing, what Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, just distribute this knowledge, give this knowledge, make many, many devotees. That's what Krishna wants all of us to do. So if we just do that task very well, so that way we know that we are Krishna's devotee, we are serving Krishna. So that can be quantified. That can be, we can actually make many devotees. We can actually make new devotees. We can share this Bhagavad Gita knowledge. So that is the way we can prove that we are devotees of Krishna. We are serving Krishna. We are pleasing Krishna. So that is a true service. That is only giving this knowledge, Bhagavad Gita knowledge to everyone. So then Krishna is also loving us. Krishna is already reciprocating. Krishna is already giving us everything. Then we will be able to receive what Krishna wants to give us. So Krishna wants to give us this knowledge, this Bhagavad Gita knowledge. Krishna is saying that to my devotees, I will show my special mercy by destroying the darkness of ignorance by the shining lamp of knowledge. So that's what is going to happen with this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. All our ignorance will be dispelled, and with this knowledge, we will be able to do everything in the right way. So once that is the proof. That way you can see that we are developing in Krishna consciousness. We are progressing in Krishna consciousness. That can be measured how much knowledge we are getting in Bhagavad Gita every day, and how many devotees we are making, how many how we are spreading Krishna's message. So these two things only, if we do it in our daily life very nicely, so the rest all will be taken care by Krishna's mercy. Hare Krishna.
Okay, Guruji. Yeah, to understand it correctly, like he's asking, when can we acknowledge that we have become a bhakta? And what you are mentioning is that when we are trying everything to please Krishna, but then we are not asking anything in return, that give me this, give me that, or if you give me this, then I will do that. But our goal is only to please Krishna, and one way is to get this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita and spread it to others. Then we can acknowledge that, okay, we are going on that path of bhakti. Thank you, Guruji.
Hare Krishna.